Hey everybody, this is Jared here. Today I am out on a cooling off summer day at Hill Country State Nature Area. So what I'm going to be doing is going up to the Twin Peaks and then following the Wilderness Trail over to Ice Cream Hill and seeing how I feel after I get back. So that'll be at least 6 miles, and then maybe I'll conquer a few more trails after that. So I'm going to get started and I'll show you some footage along the way. Okay, I'm out here at my first stop. This is the West Peak Overlook. Got here within 2 miles, so distance not too far, but it is up, rocky, pretty strenuous. Behind me, you can see the Texas mountains. So this is as good as it gets in central and central west Texas. Going further east, they have even less. It's real flat until you get to super west Texas in the Big Bend, Guadalupe Mountains area. So great view, probably one of the best in Central Texas, just behind Garner State Park, but this one is going to have way less people. So if you're looking for some Texas mountains, not a lot of people, definitely look at the Hill Country SNA. All right, I'm about to head off again and look for my next stop. the spring trail, branch spring trail. Pretty steep, quite tougher than I thought it was going to be. It's kind of reminiscent of Arizona out here with how steep some of the sections are. But I've made it to the old goat shed is what this is called. I'm probably going to take a short break. And right up around here is the Ice Cream Hill Trail. So that's the next objective I'm going to make. But this is the wilderness camping area. It's quite a bit of ways in. It looks pretty cool. In the cooler months, I definitely think I'm going to come back out here and do some backpacking and do some camping here. I bet we'll have fun with it. So stay with me, and I'll be back after this short break and hopefully up on Ice Cream Hill. It took a little work to find, but near the wilderness campsite, I have found a little hill country spring. So this is the small amount of water that all the animals get in this area. It's not a lot, but I bet a lot of the animals can make do with it, so very interesting. And it looks like people know about it too, and they built a little reservoir up here. So if you're out here camping and you're brave and have a good filter, you've got a water supply here, which should work just fine. I bet horses would love it too, because a lot of horses come out here. So stay tuned, and I am off to find more neat stuff. All right, there it is, the amazing Ice Cream Hill. So, whew, almost halfway done with this loop. Okay, I have made it to the top of Ice Cream Hill. Ice Cream Hill is named because after you complete this loop, you'll be wanting some ice cream. I cannot say that I disagree with that statement, even though I'm not done yet. So there's a little bit of shade up here. I am going to probably eat some snacks and then continue on and see what next area I find. So stay tuned and we'll explore some more areas within Hill Country State Nature Area. Okay, coming down out of Ice Cream Hill, but we do have what appears to be some storm clouds in the distance. So we'll see if I get rained on or if I can finish this hike without any terrible weather. But the breeze that it brought and the shade has been much appreciated. So I don't want them to go away, but I don't necessarily want to be rained on. Okay, I just made it onto the Bandera Creek Trail. This will probably be the last leg of my trek today. It's a little over a mile back to the headquarters, park headquarters in my car in the parking lot. I'm looking forward to this. It's got creek in the name, so hopefully I can find some water and we can check that out. I don't know, it is Texas in the middle of summer, so maybe we'll find some more cool stuff. So let's see what's out there. Whoa, there it is down there. A little bit of water. I'm hoping we get to walk closer to some here in a little bit. All right. Did find a little bit of water on Bandera Creek Trail. And we are finally making it back to the parking lot. I am worn out. It's pretty hot out here. Definitely went over 6 miles. Spring Branch Trail by itself would be 6 miles. And I did some other stops, including going out to the Ice Cream Hill. This is a super cool park. If you haven't done any of it, I just kind of scratched the surface. There's some other loops. One called Vista Ridge. It looks like a nice ridge along the I don't know, mountaintops, but you know, hilltops. And if you have horses, there are a lot of horses out here. But I'm looking forward to it cooling off and actually being able to bring Waffle out here. It doesn't have a whole lot of water, but I think he'll enjoy it regardless without the water. So I have made it back to the parking lot in the headquarters. So I am going to pack up soon and get out of here. So thanks for joining me, and make sure you join me on my next adventure.